Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort data on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and as you can see here I have prepared my data as well. And for example, we're going to sort the name data, this one. We're going to say sort the name column. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the name column like this on the header of the table. Then we can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for us, and we can select create a folder. Okay, and if you want to sort the data, you just need to click on this folder button right here. Then click on the sort option. You can sort your data from A to the Z or Z to the A. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, now as you can see that the data has been sorted. Alright guys, and that's how we can sort data in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.